Hi guys. Ooh. Hi guys. So today I'm going to vlog a little bit. Yeah, because so today is I'm going to show you our fridge there. So it's gonna be tour for our fridge because somebody sent me a message that why I'm not vlogging anymore. Yeah, so I'm going to do it today. And Happy New Year, guys. Mark Ziggy is here with me. Okay, and we'll celebrate our New Year later. We're just gonna be here at the house and I'm making some food, just a little bit because we're stuffed from Christmas. We still have some foods. Okay, so I'm going to show you our fridge. Alright, Mark is gonna cook this later. Got this month. Yeah, this month, because the other one is bad already. It's still in the garage, and it's freezing. The stuff, even it's here on the fridge, freezing quick. The vegetables. Okay, so there. So we're gonna start. I'm going to flip the camera so you guys can see it. We have two freezer right here and the bigger one. I didn't clean it. Alright, I'm gonna show you now. Okay guys, so we're going to start on the top. So I like this fridge because it's really wide and it's not that deep. Top, we have this juice. It's an apple juice. It's for CJ. And we have a lot of this kombucha. Yeah. And there's more on the back. Who's drinking kombucha? Yeah, there. And this Caesar salad. Yeah. We're using it a lot because we're eating a lot of vegetables. Okay, so we're putting it back. And then this is lettuce. And there you go. I have 2, 4, 6 pieces for this. We just got it. We just finished one last night. One whole thing. There, the last one. Then we have fresh milk. It's in the back. Expired January 3. And this is whole chicken. There you go. Yeah. From HEB. There you go. I was fixing to cook that yesterday, but we're too busy. Okay, so I didn't. And then we have singkamas or hikama. We got some fruits here. A lot of fruits. Alright, this one is onions. It's sliced. And then eggs. I have 2 sets of eggs. This is the big eggs. So, see that? Yeah, those are eggs. 3. I always get a lot of eggs because we're always eating that in the morning. Yeah. And then we got some different kind of apples. Fuji. And this is dragon fruit, is this? Yeah, dragon fruit. Yeah. And there's tokwa. What's that? Tofu. There on the back. The red one. You see? What's that? Mark is laughing. And then wait. Okay. Alright, and then we have strawberries. 3 sets of strawberries like this. It's on the back. And then grapefruit again. Oh, we have a lot of grapefruit. I like grapefruit. So grapefruit, guys, it's like what's it? Pomelo in the Philippines. Tastes like it. But here it's cheaper. This one, it's cheaper than the pomelo. Okay. And then grapes. There you go. And then we got some. Hold on. Pomelo. What's this? Pears. Ay, boka. This is pears. Hey, come here. My fridge is making noise. Let's close it. And then open it. Pears and then different apples. This one is opal. Parang apple. And this is pomegranate. Yeah. And this, I don't know what they call here. Basta, I don't know what's this in English. Okay, so and we have this piña, pineapple, kiwi, green apple, another, and there's in the back, I don't know what's that, a sauce, and then gelatin there for CG. I really like that. And then we got U-plate, and then this one is cilantro. This one is wine, and this one is, it's for breakfast actually. It's like a sausage, yeah, but it's patty. Yeah, come on. So we got garlic, this one, and then this one is coconut water, pineapple, and this is juice drink. It's tropical, mango and pineapple also. And then we have some different drinks here, pineapple and juice, apple juice. This is for taco sauce. I'm just letting it open. Yeah, there's soft drinks on the back, not much. Alright, so let's move down here. I like this. So we have this one, you can lock it, but it's actually, we put vegetable here and anything you want. So we have this, carrots, what is this? Carrots, I forgot the name of this one. Ano lang ang pangalan nito? Asparagus, this one. I like this. More on if you're gonna eat it with beef steak. Yeah, we have 3, and a lot of carrots and a lot of tomatoes. And then we got this. Ano lang ang pangalan nito? Repolyo, cabbage. And then we got too much, I think 19 pieces of this, or 20 plus. This avocado, we ate a lot of avocado. Yeah. There. Oops. Close it. Ayan lang siya, guys. And then the next one, because there's 2. The next one is asparagus again. There's another one here. Yeah. Fresh pa din siya. And then bell pepper, asparagus again. I know. Okay. Oh, this one, apple, what's this? Potatoes. And this lime or lemon. Let's put it on the back. This is, I don't know what you call this. Ano? Handsome, what you call on this one again?
What's that? Jalapeno?
Jalapeno. Okay, it's jalapeno. Forgot. And this one is different. This smaller one, Handsome, the spicy.
What?
What's the name of the spicy one?
Habanero?
Habanero?
Serrano?
Ayan, Solano? Serrano, yeah. Yeah, this one. I like this. Sarap. Yeah, I have some more here. And then another. Just, I know, another one. Oh my god. Sira na ito. No, it's not. It's still okay. I need to clean it up. Yeah. So this one. And then bell pepper against. This one is, ano ang pangalan nito? I don't like this. Mark like it. Celery. And then this is onions. Ayan, fresh onions. And then another avocados. And another, this one. This is really useful here in our house. Yeah. Oops. Let's close. Sorry for the noise. It's really frustrating. Yeah. Okay, so guys, we're gonna go on the bottom part. I'm just closing it because it's making a lot of noise. Okay, here you go. Hey, there you go. Another avocados. Yeah. Another avocados. And then this one is smoked pork. It's really good with the vegetables. Which one Mark is cooking right now. I'll show you later. Okay, this is smoked pork. And this is ham. Yeah, there you go. It's really good, yeah, ham. Oh yeah. How? Okay, guys. Next one is, you like this?
Ham? Yeah. Post-oak ham?
Yeah. So, oh yeah. Okay, so we got this. I don't like this. Mark is the one eating it with salad.
It's great on the salad.
Yeah. I ate salad, guys, huh? Don't worry. Okay, so this one is I like this American cheese. Yeah, I like the flavor. And then we have mild cheddar. Yep. This is bacon under mozzarella. Don't worry about the noise, guys. Mozzarella. Let's go for this. And this one I really like. Fajitas. Yeah, it's expensive though.
Chicken fajitas.
Yeah, chicken fajitas, and it's breasticles.
Oh, I love breast.
Yeah, so this one is for taco. Yeah, corn tortilla. Hey, another one there. A lot of the look of avocado. My God. This one, CG snacks, craft, cheese. There you go. Whole milk. Ayan, masarap siya. I tried it. It's good. Yeah, he liked it. Even Mark eating it too. Okay, so we're all done on this side. There. Let's go on this side. There's eggs and there's Mark. What are you doing? Open. There you go. Turn up. It's like a mungo.
And then I need to make some cornbread.
Yeah.
Guys, it's for good luck for the new year.
Happy New Year.
The new year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Okay, so we're going on the right side of this door again, guys. Okay. See you sleeping. So this is normally like a flavoring stuff for baking, and this is cocktail sauce. Yeah, vanilla, hoisin sauce. Yeah, this is normally for. Oh, this one is good. Yeah, this is strawberry. So you like this? I don't like this. I don't know why. This one, and then sauce, ketchup. This one is whole milk. There. I like this. They don't expire quick. And then this cream. Look, oh, lime. And then this is the mustard. Ooh, yummy. For steaks, for salad stuff. Yeah, dressing. This for the pancake. Yeah. Now we're going here, left side. It's Valentina. Oh my God, Mark almost finished this. Look. Yeah. This one is quick. Pororo, it's juice. This one, Hershey's. And this is apple juice. Whoa! Look at that. No more light. Let's close it again. Oh my God. Okay. Alright. So this one, let's just open one. This is same lemonade, but it's orange and strawberries. There you go. This one Coffee Mate, and it's bread. This one, that it's really good. It's his favorite too. And then apple juice with apple cider. Yeah. See? Ooh. No, it's not yet. It's not expired. This one is buttermilk. This is the spicy one. Oh. Yeah. What is the name on this, Hansam? Hey. This?
That is Tabasco.
Tabasco. Yeah. I forgot. I always forget.
I buy that by the gallon.
Yeah, I got huge gallon on this. Mark bought it online. And then this is the red wine vinegar. There you go. Yan na. Dami. Okay, let's put it back. And this is the butter and cheese. The other cheese. Cream cheese. This is the for the bread stuff. Yummy. Yeah. More on butter. Okay, so I think that's everything in the upper area. Okay, there you go. Now let's go here. On to me, dirty. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I like this fridge. The freezer. Look. Yeah. Okay, so now this is ice actually. But let me put that here for now. Ooh, tuyo. Yeah, it's a stinky fish. And this one I put it here so they won't go bad because they normally get dry. I need this for my lechon. Yeah. And this is more on fruits for shakes. Yeah. This one is for Shanghai, Shanghai. This is all fruits. Yeah. See? There. Frozen fruits when you want to do shakes. Yeah. There. Next one. Okay. This is some pork. This is actually from Colorado. This pork. This two. This one is for styro or cooler. It's ice. Yeah, and this mostly this is pork sausage and ham with bone, ham. Ayan, I put name. Yep. So they won't turn bad because if you leave them like on the plastic, it's not gonna be good for a long time. Yeah, so this one more safer. Okay, this one we have pizza. This one is chicken inside. Chicken again. Yeah, chicken. chicken beef. I think this is bad na. I'm gonna throw this na. This is bad na. Yeah, chicken bones. This is pork. Pulled pork. Gosh, ayan. There you go, guys. That's everything in this fridge or freezer. There. Okay, so I told you we have 2 freezer. Don't be surprised what's here. It's a mess. Okay, I'm going to show you what's in here too, but yeah, it's gonna be a bunch. Let's see. Okay, so guys, this one normally is really for the meat. It's freezer. So what we got on this side is all. Oh, this is really good. Yeah, it's so. We didn't open this yet. So this one is half gallon almond pistachio. I like it. And then this one ice cream. Ice cream. You don't like ice cream. This one I like hash brown. Yeah. This is for breakfast. It's mashed potatoes. I'll show you here. So guys, this one is beef. I didn't put the name, but it's for beef steak. One is fruit salad. It's from Colorado. I just take it home. Yeah. And then we have chicken. This is all chicken. I think it's whole chicken inside. I just sliced them. It's ribs, pork chop, steam bun. Oh, this is good. Mark like this one. It's ano siya? It's like siopaw. Yeah. And we have another meat. This one is with skin. Here. It's pork. Then we have a lot of these ribs. Oh my god. Ground pork. This is another bones. This is good for chicken soup. Is chicken nuggets. It's beef. Both beef. I don't want to open it. Okay. Let's try one. Hold on. But this one is on the box. This is all beef. Yeah, it's good for one serving. It should be for pork steak. I know, beef steak. Yeah. Yeah, we tried some here before. Okay. Mark bought it like not long time ago. Okay, so there you go. There's too much here inside, but this one is cookies. Yeah. Otis Punk Mayor chocolate chips. Yeah, you can just bake it. But anyway, guys, there's one last one. Yeah, and this is good. There you go. Sausage. But anyway, so I think I'm gonna end the video here because there's too much stuff inside I need to clean up because it's a bunch. It's full. And we're gonna start the food also soon. Alright, so guys, that's it. That's our stuff. What's in our fridge or freezer. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I'm gonna make more videos soon because yeah, there. Thank you for somebody's messaging me to make more videos. Alright, on Facebook also, they're texting me. Alright, thank you. Ooh. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy New Year, guys.